What's up, guys? It's your boy Blast Bradables HD here, and guess what? Where I'm at? Some of these greatest railroad trains in the whole world is oldest engine. As you can see, it says the U.S. Steel Train engine was restored and painted by GFWC Kentucky Tri-City Women's Club. Volters in funded by the Tor Sky paint in the town project in 2010. So I can show you around, and there's the railroad tracks, and there it is right behind it. So I can walk over the tracks. Wow, that was a long time, guys. And there it is. There's some old steam engines railroad tracks was laying here. Oh, but wait, I think I found an old train tunnel, I guess. I should look around. Go around, and there's some switch, I think. Let me walk. Oh, okay. There's an old train tunnel. I'll show you. Let's stay away from it. But let's look at the engine. So there it is. The greatest diesel engine. It's USS. So I'm gonna look over here. Wow, that was like a long time ago, folks. Wow. That was, and there's the biggest coal mining thingy. But oh my gosh, is that a glass? You know what? I'm just gonna go. I'll just go ahead and believe in that. Wow, guys, would you look at that view? The biggest area in this world with a greatest steam engine, diesel engine, I mean, the railroad track. And there's a caboose. It says 1917 L&N. So yeah, this is a vlog of the caboose and steam engine crossing in Lynch, Kentucky. In Lynch, Kentucky. And there's a railroad station. So it's old now. So yeah, over and out.